Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how you can sign in with your Adobe Spark ID. So for that, first of all you have to Google for Adobe Spark. Then click on the spark.adobe.com. So here this is the link. So now you will see this particular screen. Now click on the sign in button. Another window will appear in front of you now. So click on the login with Adobe ID. Enter your Office 365 ID here. And click on the continue button. So once you have clicked on the continue button, then it will ask you for the verification of your identity. For that, it will ask the 6-digit code to enter here for the verification process, and this 6-digit code will be sent via email to your Outlook account. Okay, so to check your Outlook email, then open a new tab and type office.com. So once you have clicked on the office.com, now you will be able to see the sign in page. Click on the sign in button. Enter your Office 365 ID here, which you have used there for the Adobe ID login. Now click on the next button and enter your password here. Now click on the sign in button. Now you will see here, this is the main screen which is available in front of you. So what you have to do, click on the Outlook button. Now open your email and copy this verification code and paste it for the verification. So now you will see this is your name over here. Please enter your details. You can add a new password. Enter your date of birth, year and country. So you will see after the verification, this form will appear in front of you. Just enter the first name, last name, a password for the Adobe ID which you are going to create, and then enter your date of birth, then country. And after entering all this basic information in this form, click on the complete account button. So now you will see it will ask you to add your mobile number. So you can enter the mobile number for the security purpose, so that you will receive the SMS notifications about the important updates, or you can click on the Not Now option which is available below the continue button. So now you will see you have successfully logged into the spark.adobe.com. This is the main screen. Thank you for watching.